That's a tree right in the corner of the house. It picked it up, dropped your roots and all on there.
Luckily, we didn't get him here.
We've been cutting for about
Oh, I saw some that were like
4 hours now
size pictures.
with probably 10 other people cutting for 4 hours. Just clearing the road with a couple tractors and a skid steer. Well,
Yeah. Well, freaking Altonville Ridge, you know, Burger King right there, 40 Fultonville Ridge. Stuck on. Collapsed. Along with the gas station. Yeah, and then it hit the subdivision right before that.
it looks pretty good now. You can actually walk the road.
Less than half a mile.
When we started, you couldn't get down the road at all.
Yeah,
You were,
it's a little close.
well, you can see.
Yeah, I ended up taking kids downstairs after I got home. And I was Jason stuff too. Actually, the walls are just foundation.
There used to be a shed there.
Yeah, dude.
Amazing. It doesn't look like it hurt the cars in there too bad.
Good. Yeah. I'll send it to you in a second. I'll know. Walk out. Yeah.
You see all the trees that are just snapped off.